Welcome to Easy Cooking with JUAN. And on today's recipe, we're going to have my easy and delicious cherry pie. And if you haven't had my cherry pie, you better slap yourself and make sure your hands are super duper clean. And these are the ingredients you will need. You will need 2 cans of 21-ounce cherry pie filling mix. You will need 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and of course your Pillsbury pie crust. And when I get everything ready, I'll be back to show you how to mix it up. And now I'm back to show you how to mix up your pie filling. I already got my cherry pie filling in the bowl. Now I'm going to do my 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, just like that. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, just like that. And my 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, just like that. Now all you want to do is just mix it together real good, just like that. Mix it all together. Nice incorporated, mix it together. Because it's going to taste so good, already smell good. So when you get through baking in the oven, oh, it's going to taste so good. Mix it together just like that. And next, I'm going to show you how to do your pie crust. And now, I'm about to show you how to do your pie crust. I already put one of my pie crusts in the pan, the aluminum pan, and I cut the edges off because it was overlapping. That's what you want to do. Now you want to add your cherry pie filling in your dish. Make sure you get all that good cherry pie filling. Make sure you get all of it. Every bit of it is so good, y'all. So good, so good, so good. Make sure you get all of it. Spread it out. Spread it out just like so. Just like that. So it can get everywhere. And I'll be right back to show you how I'm going to cut this other pie crust in my lattice form and show you the look of the complete pie. And this is how my pie looks after I do the lattice form. And it's just like I said, cut it in strips and lay it on there like tic-tac-toe. Straight across, going down and across like that. Just like tic-tac-toe. And I'm going to put this pie in my oven on 400 degrees for 40 minutes. And when it's golden brown and done, I'll be back to show you the finished product of my easy and delicious cherry pie. This is the final product of my easy and delicious cherry pie. It looks good, it smells good, and I know it's going to taste good. So put it on your holiday table. And if you want more Easy Cooking with JUAN, all you got to do is like, share, and subscribe. And tell the whole world what I'm doing in this kitchen each and every day.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine.